If you want to log out of your Telegram account from all devices, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is really useful if you've signed in on a shared computer, an old phone, or any device you no longer use. It helps protect your account and gives you peace of mind that only your current device stays connected. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer. Once Telegram is open, look at the top left corner of the window and click the hamburger menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines menu that opens the main options. From the menu, click Settings. After that, choose Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram keeps important account controls, including login sessions and device activity. Now scroll until you find Active Sessions and click it. Here, Telegram will show you every device that is currently signed into your account. Take a moment to review the list so you can see where your account is active. If you want to sign out everywhere except the device you're using right now, click Terminate all other sessions. Telegram will ask you to confirm this action, so go ahead and confirm it. Once you do that, Telegram will instantly log out your account from all other devices, while keeping you signed in on the current one. That means any phone, tablet, laptop, or browser session that was connected before will be removed. This is one of the fastest ways to secure your Telegram account if you think someone else may have access, or if you simply want to clean up old sessions you no longer need. And that's it. You've now logged out of Telegram from all other devices. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy step-by-step guide.